Hi everyone, Kathy Maxon, Craft Creations by Kathy. Today we are going to use this cute little, it's called Bloom in Box. So I got them at, I think it was flowerbox.com. So this is called a bottle bouquet. So you can arrange a little bouquet and this will then go around your wine bottle, so you can have a decoration, at the same time. Then you have a cute little floral arrangement. So if you want to give, for a wedding or something, give them a bottle of wine, bottle of champagne. But this then will collapse or kind of go around the bottle. I also have some hand soaps that this also works on. So I got these Myers hand soaps from Walmart. So then all we're gonna do is we're gonna put in some styrofoam. So I bought this block at Dollar Tree and I cut it in, I'm gonna cut it into thirds. So the third I have, then I cut it into fourths. So then that little square just gonna fit right in there. We're gonna use a little of this. Is this moss? I don't even remember what it's called. We're gonna use some of this just to kind of cover the green. And if you want, I'm not gonna put, the flowers we're gonna put in here is gonna cover up any, or it's gonna hold it down. Spanish moss, is that what this is called? So we'll put some of that there. Let me clean up this mess. So I got these cute little picks from Walmart, 50 cents. They were so cute. I went to go back to go get more after I realized, okay, I can use two, kind of two picks in this. They were sold out. They didn't have any more. So I'm just gonna cut apart this big flower. I'm gonna kind of pull it down more. So we got one big flower. We got like lavender. This soap was called lavender. So I kind of got purple colors. I'm just gonna kind of, because I want a longer stem, so I'm just pulling this down, and then it's stiff, so I'm just gonna cut some of that off. So I at least have a bigger stem to poke in. So you get that, so you get four little flowers. If you don't like this greenery, we could take it off. I got my glue gun on the side, heating up. My little picky thing came off. Put that on, but I'm gonna shoot some glue on it so it stays. Maybe I'll just cut this because I can't get these leaves off. So I'll just cut them off. So then I kind of want the taller thing to the back of my item. So whether it's going to be against the bottle, have your long, and then we'll come down short. So I'm just sticking a little bit of glue on the bottom. And then I'm going to poke that in. You can kind of spread them out if you want. I'm probably going to put the big one on this side over here. So I'll put a little glue on this stem. Remember, this stem is the one that's not, it's not as sturdy. So I don't hot glue my fingers. I'm going to use my, so there you have that. And then we have these, and then we have the white. I'm going to cut a little bit off of this guy. So we have a shorter stem, so it'll go down a little further. And then I'll stick that there. We'll stick the little white guy in the middle. Remember, I have 2 of these. So give it a little white in there. I even have an extra flower because I made one already with this bundle, and I didn't use both big ones because I kind of thought they got lost in 2 big ones were like way big. And then what we can do if we want, you know, I can cut these apart as well. Maybe not use, so we'll use that guy. So we'll cut that guy off. I don't want these long stringy things. And then I'm gonna pull some of these off at the bottom here, because I want to cut off that rounded part. You know, and then we can kind of stick these in. They want to pull a couple more off, stick some glue. I'm going to use my pliers as well. You know, I can even push it in. That didn't work. Push it in with my pliers, or make a hole with my pliers and stick that in. Take off the pieces that have some glue on them. Do that. We can put this one in the front because it's smaller, or shorter, I should say. So all I'm doing is just poking them into the styrofoam. You know, if we want, I can put another big one over here. This one's a little shorter. This is the one I stole off, or I didn't use on my other one. Get that in the foam. So you see how this side is kind of all full, filling up there. And then we could stick these ones here. And if you wanted, you can cut these apart as well. I'm just gonna probably cut them down. And I'll stick that one in there. If you want, because these are on the same kind of stem, you would have to use your pick machine to give them a, you know, pick it in. So there we go, we have that. See, it is kind of bare. It's kind of, and it does come out because it's a little top heavy as I'm tilting it sideways. You could glue that down if you want. Let's cut this white one down. That was loud, sorry. We can put that white one there. But you could just, I mean, and that's kind of just how simple and easy that is. You're just doing like a little, basically floral display. I'll show you some of the other ones I did. So I did this pink one. The soap was peony scent. So that's that one. And then I did like an orange and yellow one. And then this was my other, same one with the 2 picks. So you see I only had one big one, and I did more. I cut these apart so they separated a little better. But if you want, when you put this one on the bottle, then it just decorates up the bottle. So that's just a nice, easy, cute little gift that you could do, and then they get like a little decoration. So I hope you appreciate this video. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.